Hey, what's up? Today we're going to talk about picking a profitable workshop topic for your expert business. And this is going to be great for you if you are a coach, you are a consultant or a service provider, or even a network marketer who has an educational component to their product line. This is going to be great for you. So, what are we talking about? A profitable workshop is a small, focused, maybe 60 to 90-minute workshop. That's a small price point, so it's not a very big commitment, but it converts your non-buyers in your business into buyers. It's something really easy for you to invite to, instead of maybe your more comprehensive offers. And it gives people a kind of like a test drive, I guess. And we have been running workshops in our business for 8 years, on and off. Sometimes they're like every month, and sometimes we've done them once a quarter. But they've just been really, really great for building trust, showing people we care, showing that we're a stable business, and inspiring hope. And I just really could not imagine building our business without one, because not everyone's ready to jump into your most comprehensive thing just because, they think your hoodie is cool. So let's talk about what makes a good workshop topic. Number one, it's something that they already want. Like you don't have to convince them that they want this. Number two, it solves a problem that they're stuck on. Number three, it's small enough to get them a win or a result in one workshop. Number four, it makes their life easy, like hitting an easy button. For example, in our workshop on workshops, we have this planner where they literally just put in this Excel, it's like a Google sheet. They just put in their date of their workshop, and it auto populates what days they need to post what and what days they need to send which emails, which is super cool. So it's like there's an easy button in there. Uh, I think we're on number five. It helps them learn faster without struggling. We can learn anything, through the School of Hard Knocks. But we want our workshops to be able to condense information, cut out the fluff, give them what's important instead of having them having to research everything on their own. And the sixth thing that makes a good topic is if they like this workshop, they're going to like your main offer too. Now, with some of the, switching up that we've been doing in our business, we've been just using a support one-on-one option as our quote main offer in this first 6 months of kind of expanding our target market. And so it doesn't have to be something really complicated. That's worked really well for us. So here are some ideas on really thinking about your profitable workshop topic. Number one, make a list of questions that clients ask you all the time. There's going to be patterns, and if your clients are asking you this, it means your potential clients also don't know how to do this. And so, if there are questions that are constantly coming up, we can do a pop-up workshop on that. One of my favorite things to ask every single client in every call, and it's more really for my information and how to guide and lead people, is what's hard for you. And if you start to ask people in your target market, whether it is on social media, over email, it's actual clients or customers of yours, and you ask, what's hard for you when it comes to blank, whatever overall outcome you work with people on. And they're going to start telling you, and then that's what you do a workshop on. My very, very first workshop, I had 12 people at. I think I ended up having 5 people move forward into either a bigger course or one-on-one coaching. It was so cool. And it was just from what's hard for you, what's hard for you, what's hard for you, what's hard for you. People kept saying, like, in essence, what to say when I'm trying to do what I would call a sales conversation. Like they called it a one-on-one. What to say in a one-on-one at the end. And it was just over and over and over. And so I was like, okay, well, I should probably run a workshop on that. And then my clients came, and then they invited a bunch of their friends. I invited people that I had started to build in my network, and we had 12 people there, and it was really, really great. So make a list of questions clients ask you all the time. Number two, ask your audience, post or email something like, I'm working on a workshop and need your help. When it comes to blank, what's hard for you? Number three, you can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm. Now remember, we're not going to outsource our CEO to ChatGPT. You are valuable in the marketplace because of what you know that like AI doesn't have, right? Because of your new unique experience, your unique stories, anything ChatGPT puts for us, like we upgrade it massively due to our expertise. So we're not going to just have ChatGPT choose your topic, but here's what I would do. I would just say my business helps, and I put the type of people can't get whatever the overall result. So I would say my business helps coaches, consultants, network marketers, and service providers get more sales. Can you give me a list of workshop topics that I could teach in 60 to 90 minutes to fully solve a problem? And what's cool about asking it in this way is that ChatGPT will take smaller topics as opposed to huge topics. You can ask, can you narrow them further? Can you make these smaller, more bite-sized? ChatGPT will do it. It's great. And then the next question, this is the secret. Can you rank these by what clients want most? I was watching a workshop by one of our mentors, and they said something that really got to my heart. And it was, you want to teach people the foundational principles way more than your audience wants to learn them. And, we have our audience has these things that they like know they want to learn about. And what I often want to do is say, well, don't learn about that, learn about this instead. And that does not help me in my business. I need to meet them where they are. And so when I went to go rank, what do clients want most? It made a lot of sense to me. Like, what do I think they need? Well, for sure, they need time management help, or they're not clear on their goals. And I know this from working with people. But when I asked ChatGPT to rank stuff, that was like at the bottom at desire. And that really made sense based on the way individual time management courses sell to our audience. And so we want to ask, can you give me a list of workshop topics I teach in 60, 90 minutes? And then can you rank these by what clients want the most, by the highest desire? Remember, keep your topic small and specific. So instead of us doing a workshop like all about Facebook ads, we picked something smaller, like how to use Facebook ads specifically to build your email list. And that's all we did. It was easier to teach. People knew exactly what they got. We didn't have to overpromise. It was super fun, and they felt like it was really achievable. And so when we're going to pick a workshop topic, make sure it's something people want, something that's small and focused, and something that shows off your skills. You've got this. I know you do. And I hope this video was helpful and encouraging to you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.